and enjoy your run out here. Later on, we'll introduce you to Kyle. He's a host. We were hoping he'd be here this morning. He's not. He's the smart one. He's home sleeping.
Yep, that's him. See him coming?
When you get to the end of the parking lot, you're going to have even arrows to point the way in the morning. So it's worth doing exactly. Okay? Once you get out on the course, there's big yellow arrows. Anytime you see a big yellow arrow, go the direction the arrow points. It's as bright yellow as his shirt. Okay, don't follow him. Follow him if he's going the right way. Here comes Sheldon.
Woo!
I can guarantee you that Sheldon ran the fastest route already. Don't try to keep up with him.
Yeah, we should make a tunnel for him. Yeah. Let's make a tunnel for him. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's form a tunnel. They're going to go with
Yeah. She's going to be too late. Okay, when you're going on the course, when you come here, if you need aid, please go through the aid station. If you don't, go around it. It keeps the dust down in the
I think he's
station.
taller than some of you.
I think he's taller than someone.
You're not tall enough, Junko. Oh, we can go now.
Can we go? Yeah, we go.
Yeah. We're supposed to follow with Sheldon.
How you doing, Andy?